Well, I have a cold. Anyway, that's travel for you, isn't it? So anyhow, I'm gonna use my neti pot. I tend to do that when I have like sinus things happening. And so I thought I'd share with you how I do my neti pot mixture and how I get that all together. And I will show you right up until the point when you actually do the thing. But I'll show you how to position your head and everything. And that way, if you've never done it before, maybe you'll give it a try, because it really is I do believe you get over your sinus colds faster, and just colds in general, when you do use a neti pot the right way. So let me take you through that. Okay, so this is what my neti pot looks like. This is just a ceramic one, but you can get all different kinds. I just happen to like the ceramic ones, and I use there's different brands out there, but this is what I use. It's a Himalayan. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if the camera will focus on that. Hopefully. Okay, anyways, it is neti salt, and it's made by Himalayan Chandra. I just got it off of Amazon. And then they also make, this is a big part of it, instead of just using the neti pot salt. But this is I don't know if that's gonna, anyway, it's a neti wash, it's called. Also by the same company, Himalayan Chandra. I'll link to these below the video for you in case you want to take a look. Anyway, this soothes and moisturizes, and it has aromatic essential oils, which are also good for cleaning out, congestion. So I highly recommend, if you're going to do a neti pot, to get some sort of wash that goes in there that helps with the dryness, because just the salt by itself can be a little bit drying sometimes. So this is a really good way to go. And I've been doing neti pots for years, and I've tried different things, but I really like this one. This one, what does this one have in it? Yeah, this one's got several different, it's got like golden seal, which is great for fighting virus. It's got Chinese philodendron bark. I'm not sure about what that does. Anyway, it's got different Chinese herbs in it, which are really helpful for fighting infection and viruses and things like that. And then it's got, what else? It's got like eucalyptus oil, like the essential oils and stuff. So anyway, it's really nice. It's really nice. So I highly recommend getting some sort of wash like that. All right, so I'm going to show you how I mix this up. And to do that, we're going to drop down to the kitchen real quick. Okay, so the first thing I do is I get just like a glass bowl. And I put 3/4 a cup of, this is reverse osmosis water, but you can just get a jug of distilled water. I wouldn't use just regular tap water. You want to make sure what you're putting through your sinuses is like super clean. So I have a little countertop reverse osmosis thing, but just get a jug of very inexpensive distilled water and keep that around in case you need it. It'll stay good for like a long time. Anyway, so then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this neti salt in there, and I just put 3/4 cup of water, and I do a quarter teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to heat this up in the microwave for just 30 seconds just to get it warm, because it's room temperature right now, so you'd have to play with the time. And then I'm going to put just a half of dropper of this in. You can put a whole dropper. And then I just put a half a dropper of this in. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so then I heated that up, and then I just stir it up real good. Okay, and then I just put the about a half a drop or 3/4, something like that, of the neti wash. Okay, I gave that a stir. Whoops. And then I will show you. And then I just go ahead and pour it into the neti pot. I don't use all of it necessarily, because it would overfill it a little bit. But anyway, that's it. And then let's go back to the bathroom, and I'll just kind of show you the positioning for your head. Again, I'm not going to do the whole thing because it's kind of gross, especially when you have a cold. This is good, by the way, for allergies, like just seasonal allergies. To wash the pollen out of your nose works so well. Do that at night before you go to bed. And you can also get squeeze bottle things. If you don't want to do like a little pot, you can get a squeeze bottle thing. It's the same process though. Anyway, let's head up to the bathroom. Okay, so let me show you just kind of the head position for this thing. Basically, one thing you want to do when you tip your head, you want to kind of close your throat off with your tongue as best you can, because some of it will probably kind of go down the back of your sinus into your mouth, even though most of it's going to come out your other nostril. And so that way, at least you don't swallow a bunch of it. If you swallow some, it's not going to hurt you to swallow a little bit of it, but anyway, then you can just spit it out, right? But anyhow, the general idea is you just want to, let me tip this camera down a little bit so I can do this a little easier. Let's get these things out of the way. Okay. The idea is you want to put this up to one nostril, okay, and then seal it, like push it hard against your nostril, all right? And then you're going to tip your head like so, and like all the way sideways, and then it's going to start to stream out your other nostril. And you let it do that for 5 or 10 seconds or whatever, and then you blow. What I do at that point, I just have some tissue handy, and then you blow, at least I do. You don't, some people don't. I kind of gently blow my nose, and then I will do the other side and gently blow my nose. And the idea is you want to blow out all that water. And they do say it's a good idea to, instead of, I wipe my nose with tissue, but then I do try to blow the extra, just, exhaling through my nose, kind of not too hard, but a little bit, to like blow out any extra into the sink. The thing you don't want to do is put that tissue up your nose, because then the tissue, how if you shake tissue, like a bunch of little things go floating around, the little paper bits, the little paper dust, you don't want that in your nose. And so you when you blow, keep the tissue on the outside of your nose. I know it's tempting to kind of wipe around just inside the nostril and stuff, but don't do that with tissue, because I've had a naturopath tell me like that stuff gets in there and that's not helpful. So anyway, yeah, that's the general thing is you got to put this up to your nose, push hard, tip your head literally all the way sideways, and then it will start to stream out. It might take a second. And then you do both sides. Anyway, I'm going to go do it now because I'm very plugged up. I don't know. My voice is not right because of my sinuses are so plugged up. But I hope you find that helpful. It's helped me a lot over the years. It's one of my big go-tos when I have a cold. And anyway, it's a good one. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.